Hey, friends. This is Wendy Cannin, Executive Brand Director, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a cash envelope system using our cash and coupon pockets. A few of the other accessories that we have available, such as our kiss kits, our tabs, our tab words, and the check register insert. So let me hop right over and show you what this is all about, how you can put it together, and how you can customize it for you on a monthly basis. All right, friends, this is what we are going to be creating today. I'm actually going to only show you one pocket, but you're going to get the idea. This is a cash and coupon pocket through Tula 12. This is the medium size. So what I'm going to be showing you today has to do with the mediums. I have used Kiss Kit paper, the tabs. I haven't added the tab words on there, but also a check register insert. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. We're going to talk about one pocket and start from there. So first I want to share with you that there are 3 different sizes for the pockets. Each one of these entails a slip of paper, slip of paper that's folded in half that you can keep your money inside of, so that it makes it so other people can't see what you have inside of your envelope. Now, if you choose to just do this on a virtual cash envelope, which you can do, then um, you can just use the check register, which I'm going to show you how to use. And then you can just leave the pockets decorated if you want to, or you can leave them completely blank, whatever you choose to do. The purpose of the decorated paper is so that people can't see what cash you have inside of the pockets. And then with the closure on the cash and coupon pocket, that cash is going to stay there. It's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to start by showing you how to make the smallest of the pockets. All right, we are using the Valentine's Kiss Kit, and I just grabbed one sheet of decorative paper. You're going to need 6 pieces, which is what it comes with. So if you choose to use a deco kit, you can. If you choose to use other paper, you can as well. So we're going to start with a small pocket by creating a 6.5 by 6.25 inch piece of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up my little piece here. I'm going to cut it directly in half. So 6.5 by 6.25. Now the 6.5 is the medium, all the way across for the medium. So that is the horizontal measurement. And then once you have this piece of paper cut in half, you are simply going to just fold it. Fold it right in half. If you have a bone folder or some other kind of way to crease your paper, then you can use that option as well. Okay, so we've actually went ahead and made the small pocket right here. So small is going to fit right inside, and it goes right to the top of that pocket. There's also 3 other sizes. There's the medium, which you're going to cut by 6.5 by 7.125. You can see 6.5 stays the same for all 3 pockets. And then the large pocket is 6.5 by 7 7/8. And again, you're just going to fold those pieces of paper right in half. All right. So once you have your piece of paper folded in half and you know that it's going to fit, we're going to use our tab stickers. I just chose this pretty little pink because I thought that would be really fun to go with for Valentine's Day. So to install the tab, you're just going to line up the top half of the tab with the edge of your paper, and then flip it over and do the exact same thing. Line up your tab with the front half of the paper and then just attach. You're going to crease that. Now, I like to use the tab words. This is just a basic tab sheet. You can get them in several different varieties of tabs, which makes it really easy to determine what you want to label them. But let's say that this is going to be our grocery tab inside of our pocket. So I'm just going to add food right on there. And I'm going to slide that right inside this section. Now you would go ahead and you would complete making the other 2 pockets as well. But I'm going to show you how you can actually use our check register insert to make yourself an accountability or a register for your cash and coupon pocket. So the easiest way to do that is go ahead and turn to the center section where you can actually see the staples right here in the center. With that, you're going to see that it's separated by page like that. So you can fold it in half and then just tear it right out of the center. What I did once I got it torn out of the center is I cut all of the excess off of there and then cut the page in half so that I have one half for each pocket that I choose to use. Now you can label them and then you can watch your balance of your money in your cash and coupon pocket so that you can stay up to date on what you have available in your variable spending pockets. Hope you've enjoyed this quick little tip on how to use your cash and coupon pocket as a cash envelope. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye, friends.